With lecture 3, set. Set is nothing but a group of well-designed objects. Set is nothing but a group of well-defined or designed objects. For example, let's say take an example. Set consists of first 10 integer 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How we are going to represent set is we'll use curl bracket and we'll separate it by comma. Okay, so this is set. You can give any name to the set. So A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. The set is consist of first 10 digit integer. A2 represents a set. Right. Now next representation we can do it by set builder method. We can write by set builder method A is a set such that x is the number such that x is the number such that ये such that का line x is a number such that x is between 1 to 10, or you can say x is 1 to 10. Okay, now we have some types of set which is there in your syllabus. First is universal set. Universal set is consist of all possible elements. For example, we'll take an example, say A. Like you can take universal set is number of integers, positive integers, number of negative integers, whole number, ऐसे रहता है. We'll see in ये और details में देखेंगे Venn diagram में. So universal set consists of all possible elements. Let's say we have a set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so let's take this set A as universal set. Okay, so this set is consist of what? 2 even number, 3 odd number. Now next set is empty set or null set. The set which does not contain any element. कुछ भी element नहीं रहेगा. मतलब कैसे रहेगा? A is equal to empty. A is equal to empty set, complete empty. This set also can be represented as 5. 5 से represent करते हैं. 5 stands for what? Null state. Subset. Every element of one set is in another set. Every element in one set is in another set. For example, if we have A as 1, 2 and B as 1, 2, 3. So every element in A is there in B. I'm repeating again. Every element in A, 1, 2 is there in B. So A is subset of B. A is subset of B, and subset will represent by a letter like this. इससे represent करेंगे. So A is subset of B, but every element of B is not there in A. Keep this in mind. So B is not subset of A. Only A is subset of B here. Now singleton. What is singleton? Singleton set is nothing but a set which has only one element. So A is equal to 1. So this is singleton. B is equal to 2. This is singleton. Next, disjoint set. Disjoint set मतलब no common element. Likewise A and B देखा, जिसमें A में जो सब element है वो B में present है. So A is subset. Similarly, if you have A as 1, 2 and B has 3, 4. So this 2 does not contain any common element. So this set A and B are disjoint. A and B are disjoint set. Okay. Now we'll see power set and proper set, subset in details, because this too is going to there with bigger sums. Before that, we'll see equal set. Equal set means what? All elements are same. For example, if we have set A, B, and set B as A, B, not necessarily always you will have number. You might have letters. You might have any other things. So names of animal, names of tree, like that. So here I'm just giving you an example. So if A is A comma B and B is A comma B, so both contain same element. Both sets contain same element. So here A is equal to B. So equal set you can represent by same अपना equal का sign. A is equal to B. This is sign of subset. Keep this in mind. Now proper subset. Now what is proper subset? Let's say you have element A. Let's say you have set A as 1, 2 and set B as 1, 2, 3. This example I have given you in your subset. So here A is subset of B, right? Or subset ka definition is what? Definition of subset. What is definition of subset? At least an element of B does not present in A. मतलब A में अगर 1, 2, 3 है, 1, 2, 3 यहाँ पे भी है, तो वो सेट हो जाएगा इक्वल सेट, वो सेट हो जाएगा इक्वल सेट. बट यहाँ पे A में 1 and 2 है, B में 1, 2, 3 है. So every element of A is present in B. So that means what? A is subset of B. A is subset of B. But B is not subset of A. B is not subset of A. Fine? Understood? If A is equal to 1, 2 and B is also 1, 2, that means what? These two sets are same, right? That means equal set. So A is equal to B. This time you can write A is subset of B and B is subset of A. That means what? Every equal sets are subset of each other. Every equal sets are subset of each other. I'll write over here. Every equal sets are subset of each other. Okay, subset of each other. And this is definition of subset. Now, what do you mean by proper subset? Listen careful again. Let's take an example. A is 2, 4, 6. B is 1, 2, 3, 4, 6. Now you can say 2, 4, 6 is there in B. Yes or no? So that means A is subset of B. A is subset of B. But now you can observe यहाँ पे 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3 कुछ relation नहीं था. But here we are having relation, like A is contain all even number. A is containing all even number. And B is only set of number. B is what? Only set of number. Though A is subset of B, ये well defined set है जिसमें only even number है. इसमें से निकाल के even number है. Not only 1, 2, 3 or 4, 5, 6. Right? So this kind of set where A set is subset of B, but B cannot be part of A. So this set, this type of subset will call proper subset, and this proper subset will represent by this. नीचे वाला line नहीं लिखना है proper subset में. Okay, that means A is proper subset of B. See a set C 1, 3, 5. So every odd numbers are there. Now in B we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Where 1, 2, 3, 5 is there? Yes or no? So that means here also C is subset of B. But every element of C is present in B. And that have some relation, right? So C can be subset of B, but B cannot be subset of C, right? So we can say C is set of all odd number, but B, we cannot say B is set of all odd number. If this also odd, this is also odd, then only subset is possible. But now here odd number, but this is set of number. Therefore here also C is what? C is proper subset of B. Understood? What is difference between subset and proper subset? Subset is what? At least an element of does not present in another. मतलब A में 1, 2 है, B में 1, 2, 3 है, तो 3 नहीं है, मतलब A is subset of B. That's fine. Here we don't have any relation, but here 2, 4, 6 all even number, here all odd number. Okay, and this is just set of number. If you can say, for example, another example I'll give you. You have number 2, 4 and another set is, let's say this is set A, B set, let's say 2, 4, 6. So here A is subset of B. Okay, understood? Only subset, not proper subset. But here A and B, इसमें we have A is what? Proper subset of B. Power set. Power set is what? Power set is nothing but collection of all possible set from given set. Collection of all possible set from given set. This is very important, students. We have one practical based on this power set. A is what? 1, 2, 3. This is one set is given. Now collection of all set from the given set. मतलब 1, 2, 3 ये सेट जो दिया है उसमें से जो सेट्स पॉसिबल सेट निकलेंगे उसका कलेक्शन. अभी ये कैसे निकालना है? सो फॉर पावर सेट विल यूज 2 raised to n, where this n is number of element present in set A. Number of elements present in set A. Now set A में कितने number of element present है? Here we have 3. n is equal to 3. So power set of A कितने मिलेंगे? So 2 raised to 3, that is 8. 8 possible set will get from this set. So power set of A is, we can write it as, first element will take 1, second element 2, third element 3, 3 हो गए. अभी कॉम्बिनेशन 1, 2, 1, 3, 2, 3 कितने हो गए? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. नेक्स्ट given set only 1, 2, 3, 7, and last but nothing but your null set. Null set will be also part of your set. Okay, so null set plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So this 7 and null set मिला के 8 set. तो every set में से जो derived set मिलेंगे, ये number of sets, उसको क्या बोलेंगे हम लोग? पावर सेट. Venn diagram. What is Venn diagram now? Venn diagram is nothing but graphical representation of a set. Graphical representation of set is called Venn diagram. Let's say we have a universal set U. Always universal set is represented by U. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have another set A, 1, 2, 3. B as 4, 5. And C as 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so how we are going to represent this set? By Venn diagram. Universal set will represent by a square. So this is nothing but universal set. Now see, A is what? A is subset of U. Now every set will be subset of universal set. This is common because universal का definition हम लोग ने देखा था. Set contain all possible elements. So universal set का subset रहेंगे. Okay. So A is what? 1, 2, 3 and B is what? 4, 5. So this is true. So A contain 1, 2, 3 and B contains what? 4, 5. There is no common element here, right? There is no common element here. So therefore this set, this diagram represents what? Disjoint set. So A and B, this A and B are disjoint set. This A and B are disjoint set, right? Now observe B and C. Let's take Venn diagram. U is universal set which is having all possible value. Abhi will take again set A, 1 2 3, right, and we'll take set C. अभी सेट सी में व्हाट वी हैव, सेट सी में 1 2 3 4 है, मतलब ये 3 भी है और एक चौथा भी है, राइट? सो दिस इज सेट ए एंड दिस इज सेट सी. So 1 2 3 is common between A and C. So A is subset of C and A, C both are subset of A. Please keep this in mind. Will represent universal set by square. Always represent universal set by square and remaining subset by circle. Okay, so this is how you are going to, let's say A and B always you have to write over here. This is important part, basics about Venn diagram. And what is Venn diagram? Graphical representation of set. This is basic idea. We'll see details in the next lecture.